third graders. I'm going to show you how to log in to Microsoft Teams and explore your class team to see everything that you're going to need to get started with your virtual learning. So to log in, you're going to need your district username and then followed by @student.pusd11.net, and then you're going to click sign in, and then you'll enter your password and click sign in. Once you're signed in, you will see your class team right here. It should have your teacher's name and then class. The first thing that you'll see when you open up your class team is our general channel, which is for the entire class, and the posts page. So this is where your teacher is going to post important information for you. You can see that your teacher has already posted some things that she wants you to look at. She has her introduction video uploaded so that you can meet the teacher through video. She has the third grade student information form on here that parents and guardians need to fill out about their child by August 7th. And then there is a reminder that on Thursday we have our drive-up parade to kind of meet the teacher and be a celebration to start the school year. So that is on Thursday starting at 8:30 a.m. So every day, the first thing that you're going to check is this general post page to see updates from your teacher. The next tab on this page is Files. Under Files, your teacher is going to have some important information for you, and it's going to be as organized as possible so that you can locate it at any time and not have to worry about going back through emails or trying to find information elsewhere. So the first thing that you're going to click on when you come to the files is Welcome to Third Grade. We only have a few things uploaded in this folder so far. You will see your teacher's Meet the Teacher page that you would normally get during Meet the Teacher or Back to School night. And then you'll also see the Welcome Back newsletter that you were sent through email that is on here for you to view at any time. So if you click on the Welcome Back newsletter, it is a Word document. So whenever you open a Word document in Microsoft Teams, I highly recommend that you go to the top here and you open it in the desktop app. This will open it on Microsoft Word on your computer, and it will be much easier to read and navigate through Microsoft Word than it is on Microsoft Teams. I don't love how Microsoft Teams formats Word documents, especially with these links. It's very difficult to click on these links through Microsoft Teams here. So if you just open it in the desktop app, which will open it in Microsoft Word, it will be much easier to use, and then the links you can much more easily click on from the Microsoft Word application. Go ahead and close that out. When we upload information for the first week of school, we'll put it in this folder. There's nothing in there yet. If I want to go back to Files, I'll click here. There's also some technology help if you're having trouble with an application or technology. Virtual learning expectations, our SOAR expectations, live in this folder for virtual learning, and we will review those with students this week so that they know what the expectations are for virtual learning and for our video meetings. And then when special teachers kind of give us some more information about their classes, we'll put that in this folder as well. So if I want to go back to the post page, I will click up here on Posts. And there are other tabs up here that we won't really be using. We won't really use Class Notebook, Assignments, or Grades. Grades will be posted through Synergy, which is Parent View. So we're not going to be putting grades into Teams here. The next thing that you will see is that your child has been assigned a group. They are either in group 1, 2, or 3. So they can only see the group that they were assigned to. They cannot see the other groups. So if they click on their group, you'll see it's locked because it's only certain members of our class and not public to everyone. You will see that your teacher has posted a little greeting and has kind of encouraged you to go down to the bottom and say hi to your group mates. You can even use these emojis and stickers to kind of make it fun and say hi to each other. So this is where we can post just to our group and not to the entire class. And then there is also a Files tab for the group. So this will be where your teacher will upload your group schedule, because every group has a slightly different schedule, and information that just your group needs. So if it's not something that you can find in the general whole class channel, go to your group and you will see that it's probably in there. All right, so that is our class team. It's very user-friendly and easy to use. The next thing you're going to want to look at is your calendar that is on the left-hand side here. All right, and you might see that your teacher has already put in some meeting times for you. So you want to click on the meeting. Our first day of school is Wednesday, August 5th, so go ahead and click on that meeting. Then you will go over here. It will say RSVP. It only says accepted because I already accepted this one. Go to RSVP, respond to series, and then click accept. This will officially add it to your calendar. If you don't click accept, it won't add it to your calendar. It will just kind of be here like, hey, you've been invited to this, but it's not on your calendar yet. So make sure you respond to series accept. Then it will show that you've accepted it. And when it's actually time for that meeting, then you will click on this purple button, join, and this will take you to the video conference meeting. So we're not going to be using Zoom this year, so you don't have to worry about links or passwords or meeting IDs or finding an email from your teacher. All you will have to do is go into your calendar on Teams, click on whatever day it is and whatever time it is, and click join. It is that easy. So after a couple of times, the students should really start to become independent with this and should be able to join their group meetings with their teacher without parent help. Now on Thursday, you might see that your teacher has canceled your meeting, and we're doing that because we're not going to be doing our video meetings on Thursday because we have our drive-up parade and kind of meet the teacher in person event from 8:30 to 9:30 that morning. So we're not going to do our video meetings that day. So this week we're going to be meeting once on Wednesday and once on Friday with your group to kind of get to know each other and talk about our virtual learning expectations. Now if I want to get out of my calendar and go back to my team, I go right here to Teams. And here's where I can kind of change between my group, and general is for the whole class. So that's where I'm going to find all of that information. I hope that this was helpful to you, and we really look forward to getting this school year started. If you have any other questions or need any help, please email your teacher. You can find their email address on that Welcome Back newsletter that we sent to you. That is also in the Files page under the Welcome to Third Grade tab right here. So we look forward to starting the school year and meeting everybody. Thanks so much. See you soon.